Hello, welcome back to Gloria's kitchen. In here I have my coconut oil. I added chopped onions and garlic to it. Now I'm going to add my minced meat, fry it, and then put it aside. Timacho namano ene jenin tisa se mi saw esinchen. Now I have my blended tomatoes with some onion, ginger, and anise seeds. Now my tomatoes has been cooked for a while. Now it's time to add my potatoes. This is very quick. Lunch. You can also use it for dinner and even breakfast. Okay, so let it steam for like 2 minutes. Adding salt to taste. I also added kale, fresh kale to it. And some carrots. This lunch looks so beautiful and colorful. Very yummy. Yeesh. Diane no your fe mama yenka. Make you chop better a little bit, so look at food. This is food. So now I'm adding my minced meat. Ooh. Abusiafo, you better this is here. This a wash me abedu sa time ya. Ya meka ne se meda wase. Na mom, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. I appreciate your support. So please, if you've watched up till this time, thank you. But please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. I really appreciate your support. Thank you.